How to chat on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. This video is valid for both Android and iOS devices. So first you open the Pinterest app. There are two ways you can chat with people. The first way, for example, I click on this post and I click on the profile icon here, and here you find an option of message. You click on that and you can message them, and this is how you can start a chat. The second way that exists is you can go on the search icon, you can click on whichever account you want to search. Once you search that account, you have to click on their profile icon like the previous one. Okay, so this account is private. You have to click on the profile icon here and you have to follow them. This also, once they follow you back, they let you message. Here you find it, the message option. So you have searched the account and you follow them. If they follow you back, some accounts are private, so they have to follow you back for the message icon to show. But if they are public, you can click on their account and click on message here and you can text them. So this is how you chat on Pinterest. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.